Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with consecutive cages by Wuschel. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have killer cages in the grid. Those are these cells that have dotted lines around them. Those are the cages. So digits in a cage sum to the value in the top left. So these two sum to 5, for example. We also have these purple lines in the grid. Those are Renban lines. Digits on the line form a set of non-repeating consecutive digits, but the order doesn't matter. So this could be, say, 2, 3, 4, but we could go 2, 3, 4. The order doesn't matter. What matters is that they are non-repeating and they are a consecutive set. So I can't do 1, 3, 4 because 1, 3, 4 is not a consecutive set. I also can't do 2, 3, 3 because it repeats the 3. And 2, 3, 3 is not a consecutive set. All right. So those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Well, a 4 cage can only be 1, 3. It's the only way to do it. So this line sees the 1 and the 3. All 3 of these cells see the 1, 3 pair, which means 2 can't be on the line. So 1, 2, and 3 can't be on the line. So this has to be a 4, 5, 6 triple. This 4, 5, 6 goes here. So this is going to have a 2 on it. Oh, okay. So where does this, let's mark this green just for explanatory purposes. Where does green go in this box? Well, it's certainly not in the 4 cage because it shares a column, and it's not one of these two because it shares a Renban. So green is going to be in one of these two. But also for the box, we need a 2 in one of these two, and we know 2 is not green. So this is a 2 green pair. Now, how big of a digit can we put on this Renban if it is if it's got a 2 on it? Well, we could go 2, 3, 4. So green wants to be 4, 5, 6, but the Renban can't have a digit larger than 4 on it. So this is a 2, 4 pair. This has to be a 3, and this has to be a 4, and these aren't 4. Very nice. That's cool. I like that. Now this is a 5 cage. It's going to be either 1, 4 or 2, 3. I really don't think we know the order there. So let's not worry about that yet. How about the 7 cage? That's either 1, 6, 2, 5, or 3, 4. This 2, 4 pair, looking down at it, tells us that it can't be 2, 5, and it can't be 3, 4, so it is 1, 6, and that leaves 3 and 5 here, and this 3 tells us the order. Very cool. Okay, this has a 3 on it, so it can't have a 6 on it. 6 is too far away. We can go 3, 4, 5, so we could have a 5 on it, but we can't get a 6 on it. There's also no 6 in a 6 cage. So one of these is 6, which means this has to be a 1, and that's a 6. Okay. This cannot be a 6, and the reason is that this can't be a 5 or a 4. If this can't be a 5 or a 4, how can this be 6? This would be 6, this would be a 4, 5 pair, and it just wouldn't work. So we can place this 6 here. We really can't disambiguate this yet. We do need a 3 in the box, though. This 3 says, this 3 also says there's no 3 here, and then a 6 cage can't have a 3 in it because it would need 2 3s in it, and it can't do that. So this is actually a 3. We can't put a 5 on this line because if we did, we'd need a 4 on it as well. And again, this can't be 4 or 5. So we could go 3, 2. We could do a 2, 4 pair here, or we could do a 1, 2 pair here, but there's always a 2. And this isn't a 4. All right, what can we say here? So these are 2 digits that add to 6. These are the other 2 digits that add to 6, and they have to be 2, 4 so that they work with the 3 on the Renban. And so then this is 1, 5. That's cool. This is a 1, 5, 6, and this can't be 5 or 6, so this has to be 1. And 1 plus 4 gives us all of these digits. So this is a 5, 6 pair. That creates a 5, 6 pair here. So the remaining digits in this row are 2 and 3. These 2s, the 2 is definitely here, which means it can't be here. So this is the 2 and this is the 3. This is 5 or 6, but it can't be 6. So that's 5, that's 6, that's 5, that's 6, that's 5. We get the 1 and the 5 here. We get 2 and 4 here. These are 1 and 6. Don't know the order yet. I think it's just Sudoku from here. This is 1 or 6, but it can't be 6. So that's 1, 6, 1. Over here, we need a 2 and a 6. We know the order, so that's 6. Here we need a 3 and a 4. We know the order. That gives us this order. And we need 2 and 5. And we're done. Wow. That was a cool puzzle. It took us on a journey. I really liked all that logic. That was super fun. Thanks, Wuschel. I hope you enjoyed it as well. This is a very well done puzzle. And if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.